Let me remind you of something creation is longing for. Actually, it says it's desiring, it's longing, it's got a cry to mature sons, to bring restoration. So remind yourself that Yeshua, Jesus Christ, Yeshua Christos, gave me full restoration on the cross. His death on the cross, his blood, was shed so that I am sinless, pure, holy, set apart, full of the glory of the fire of Yahweh, restored back into my first estate, restored back into the image and likeness of the Father. From that position, now remind yourself that I'm being restored daily and I'm continuously going deeper, higher, wider. But my function as a restored being is to take back my authority as one that has dominion over creation. If creation is calling out to a son, then I as a son have to reach a certain point in my faith where I'm mature enough to take back what's mine and to start governing creation again. My function is not just to go to church on Sunday. My function is to govern creation. This is a desire the Father has for the body of Christ, and we have to begin to grow and mature into this position. I come into the Father's house, and I begin to govern from out of that realm into creation. I speak as an oracle. I stand as a legislator. I literally rule as a king, and I present myself as a priest into creation. I present the image of the Father to those around me. I walk the face of the earth, full of His glory and His fire. I am created to be a governor and a powerful being.